Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. Alright, so we are going to do an update on this light that I got from Harbor Freight. This is Braun, the Braun light. So this update is going to be I'd say a 4-week update. 4 weeks, I don't know when, man, maybe like a month. But I've been using it on and off for a good month, and lately I've been using it for quite a bit, and we're talking about maybe like 6-hour durations, 4-hour durations, 5-hour durations. But it's worked really good up until this point. It's worked really good, and I say up until this point is I tried charging it last night. For whatever reason, it wouldn't shut off. It wouldn't shut off, and I just left it. I just left it like this, and then it automatically shut off. And I was thinking maybe it was overloaded. I had 2 bars, and then it automatically shut off. And I thought to myself, maybe it's a glitch in the system. I plugged the charger back in, and about an hour later it did the same thing where it just turned on by itself, wouldn't shut off. And this is the only sticking point I have with this, because I've had no issues charging it before. It's worked great. The light is bright, and the charge that it holds is a long 4 or 5 hours. And I was gonna do another review of it just to give you guys an update on how great this light is. Yeah, it kind of hurts on the ears if you leave it on your ears for maybe more than 30 minutes or whatever, but it fits great on your neck. The swiveling action on both lights is great when you have it on your neck, because you could actually move the light to where you want to shine it to. I was like, yeah, this is a keeper. This is a keeper. And unfortunately, this situation right here with the light not being able to turn off, and it's not a glitch. I know there's probably a little microchip in here or whatever. Maybe a little board in here or whatever, microchip board or whatever, that tells it to turn on and off and all that stuff, but it's not turning on and off. It's not a glitch. This is happening. This is happening. So now it's possible, and even the dimmer doesn't work. So maybe something went wrong with whatever's inside. I'm gonna return it. I'm gonna try to get another one. I want to get another one. I don't have the box for it. I don't have the packaging for it, but I do have the receipt. Hopefully they'll let me exchange this for another one. Hopefully they'll let me exchange it. I don't know. If they don't let me exchange it for another one, I'm not quite sure what to say about it. They don't let me exchange it for another one. I mean, it's a really, really good light. I might just spend some money on another one. I might possibly spend money on another one. I'm not quite sure. But just because of the situation, I'm not quite sure whether to give it a thumbs up or thumbs down, guys. It's a weird thing. I love this thing. It's probably been the main light that I've been using as far as the headlights are concerned. Headlights literally on my head. And this happening is not very good, guys. So we're gonna see what happens. Hopefully I get another one. Hopefully they let me exchange it. If I get another one, I'm gonna see if this happens again. If it happens again, obviously this is gonna be a defect in with the light, and that makes it virtually unusable, because I've only had this for maybe like 4 weeks, a month and a half or whatever, and there shouldn't be malfunction like this. Everything else is durable, but I mean, if it's gonna be, if this is gonna malfunction the way it's gonna malfunction, this is not a good thing. But just want to give you guys a 1 month usage review of this, the issues that I've had, which I really haven't had a lot of issues with this, probably virtually none. It's a really good light, even for 30 bucks, except for this issue, which is huge. Anyway, guys have your own personal experiences with this. Definitely leave a comment in the comment section. Please subscribe, please give me a thumbs up, all that good stuff, right guys? Take care.